Hello everyone. How are things going on? Fine. So let's begin our session. Our today's topic is weather and seasons. First tell me children, do you feel hot or cold throughout the year? No, as we have different seasons. There are 4 main seasons. They are summer, rainy, winter and spring. But today I am going to brief you about summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. It starts from April and ends in the month of June. During summer season, days are longer, nights are shorter. Days are hot and sunny. Hot and dry winds blow. We sweat a lot. Rivers and ponds dry up. Everyone likes to visit hill stations and beaches. Children love to play in water. Children enjoy a lot as they have their summer vacation. Things we use during summer season. What is this? Sunglasses. It helps us to protect our eyes from direct sun rays. This one, air conditioner. We use air conditioner, even fan, cooler to keep us cool in summer season. This is hat. It protects us from heat. Cotton clothes. It makes us feel cool and comfortable. Things we eat, drink during summer season. This is a mango. It is king of all the fruits. It has one seed. Ice cream. Everyone loves to eat. Cold juice. We love to drink cold juice during summer season. Watermelon. It is very big in size. It contains lots of water. It has many seeds. Children, everyone enjoys summer season as they get to eat mangoes, watermelons, ice creams, etc. But do you know, this season brings a bunch of health problems with it, like sunburn. Red painful itching on skin is caused by spending too long in the sun. It can be avoided by applying sunscreen lotion or sunburn cream. Sunstroke. If you stay in a hot place for too long, you may have sunstroke, which can be prevented by taking mint leaves, aloe vera juice, onions, etc. Dehydration. It is caused due to excessive loss of water from the body. It can be avoided by intaking lots of water, fresh juice, coconut water, etc., which will help to maintain the normal body temperature. So children, try to avoid going out in afternoon during summer season. Now it's time for worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to circle the things related to summer season. The first picture is of woolen cap. Next one, ice cream cone. Next, sunglasses. Next, gum boots. Next, muffler. The last one, cooler. In this worksheet, you have to tick the activities related to summer season. The first picture is of summer camp. Next one, children are sitting near bonfire. Third one, some children are playing in the rain. Last one, some children are learning swimming in swimming pool. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, bye.